Question 3. Under uniform acceleration, motion of an object with velocity is represented by this equation here. So a and b are constants and x is a variable for displacement. So if both a and b have dimensions, determine the dimensions of a, bx, and b. So for this question, the equation given is v square a plus bx. So x here is a variable for displacement lah, okay? So now both v and a, both a and b have dimensions, and based on the rule in our notes, we know that this is a valid equation. So the rules is it will be equal. Okay, so now we can write v square is equal to a is equal to bx. Don't forget the square bracket. Okay, so now we are gonna focus only on a. So that one is gonna be v square equal to a. So we are gonna ignore this part, okay, because we are only looking for a. So now we know that v square is equal, velocity is equal to distance divided by time. So no, I'm not gonna do it that way. Let me just rethink how am I gonna solve this? Okay, so we are gonna look for the dimensions of a, right? So this is a, this is equal to v square. Okay, so we are only gonna focus on this part here because we are only considering the dimension of a. So now velocity is equal to distance over time, which can be written as L t negative 2 negative 2 wait, it's negative 1, sorry, meter per second, right? So it's negative 1. And now since this is square, so we are gonna square this dimension here lah. Okay, so that is gonna be L square t negative 2. Okay, so the dimension of a is L square t negative 2, t to the power of negative 2 lah, right? And then question b pula, we are gonna look for the dimension of bx. Okay, so the dimension of bx is equal to a lah. Okay, so it is equal to a, where a is equal to L square t negative 2. So jawapan dia macam tu, bx is equal to L square t to the power of negative 2. Right? And then question C pula, we are gonna look for b only, which is this one. So untuk b only, we are gonna use bx equal to a juga. So that is bx equal to dimension of a. So this one, we can separate this b and then x, where x is displacement, okay? So that one, we arrange this over x. Okay, so remember acceleration is L square t, sorry, oh my god, that's not acceleration. So a is this one tadi yang kita jumpa, yang kita cari, which is L square t to the power of negative 2 over x, which is L lah. Okay, and then if we simplify this, we get this one is equal to 1. So we are left with L t negative 2. So that is the dimension of b lah. Alright, so always remember the rules if you come across this type of questions. So if you are given the equation, you can just equate them together and just focus on the first part of this, and it actually, if you want to do it v square equal to bx pun tidak masalah because they are equal. Okay, but for this solution, I choose to just use this one lah, sebab kita sudah ada value of a, just this one, and then this one pun a pun kita ada sudah. Okay, if you use v square equal to bx, it's you are actually doing the same thing as you did here lah. Okay, so alang-alang sudah jumpa dimension of a, kita just directly guna this part. Alright, okay, so if you have any problem for this question, please let me know.